Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I'm about to whip up the easiest peach cobbler and take it with us to a cookout. It's going to be great served with ice cream. Also would be good with whipped cream or Cool Whip, but it's so easy. I just thought I'd whip it up real quick and share it with you. Let's get started. Okay guys, here we go. I start with melting a stick of margarine or butter in the pan while the oven is preheating on 350. I like to use Parquet, but you can use any margarine or butter that you like. And then while that's preheating and melting, mix up 1 cup of self-rising flour with 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of milk. I use whole milk just because that's what we buy for cereal and for cooking, but you can use any milk. I used a hand mixer too, but you can either use a whisk or stir this by hand, and it's okay to have some lumps in there. Jessica O'Donoghue made a fresh blackberry cobbler on her channel recently, and the way her husband Bunky was describing it with all the delicious details, it got us wanting some cobbler. I'll link her video in the description box below. If you watched it already, let me know in the comments. You know what I'm talking about with his description, am I right? This is where you can also, if you want, add vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, things like that. You can also add a little extra sugar if you're using fresh fruit. My mom made peach cobbler a lot when I was growing up, and it's a favorite of mine and so super easy, so I whipped it up real quick to take to share at our friend's cookout. I used the same recipe Jessica used, which happens to be the same as my mom's recipe, but I used canned peaches in the syrup instead of fresh blackberries. But you can adapt this recipe to any fresh fruit or canned fruit that you like. And then when that's ready, you pour that on top of your melted butter, but you don't have to mix it. Then put 1 can of peaches in the syrup on top, and since we're making this to take to a cookout, I wanted to make sure everyone gets a bite of the peach. Normally I would just dump the whole can on top, but I strategically placed the peaches and then dumped the syrup on top, and you don't have to stir it. And you can serve this with ice cream, Cool Whip, or whipped cream. I mean, there's nothing better than peaches and cream, right? And that's our peach cobbler. Scott is calling this Everything's Peachy Cobbler. This was a big hit at the cookout, and if you like more fruit, you can add another can of peaches, double the fruit. Really, you can make it however you and your family like it. I hope you like these types of quick cooking videos. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Let me hear from you in the comments. And if you're new to Living Gratefully, we'd love to have you subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.